case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In one of the pivotal cases in 1977, United States vs. Vitale, a captivating drug distribution trial came before the United States Court of Appeals for the Eighth Circuit. The ardor of the case hovered around a principle that in order to challenge trial errors to overturn a conviction, a defendant must show that such errors were not merely present, but had a profound influence on the result of the trial. The focal character in this legal cruise was a defendant convicted of peddling controlled substances, judged so based on the damning testimony from an undercover police officer. According to him, he had made 2 purchases of narcotics directly from the suspect. Amid a gust of accusations, the trial was marred by controversy, as the defendant disputed his conviction through an appeal, pointing towards several purported errors during his trial. He cited excessive references to other unrelated crimes, a shaky foundation for the admission of phone calls into evidence, and a controversial acceptance of expert testimony that identified the incriminating substances. Yet, upon scrutinizing the events surrounding the trial, the court held the perspective that the alleged errors had little influence on the trial's verdict. The pool of evidence presented, notably the undercover officer's testimony of his direct purchase and identification of the narcotics, painted an overwhelming picture of guilt that led to the defendant's initial conviction. In the wake of the appeal, the court found the evidential tide too formidable to subside. It upheld the defendant's conviction, emphasizing that the alleged errors related to other crimes, telephone calls, and the acceptance of expert testimony were insignificant, leaving the trial outcome untouched. Thus, the conviction and sentence remained in force, attributing a new cornerstone to the notion of trial errors in the American legal landscape.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of climb.